This week we're going to work on a new learning target. We're going to be reading and spelling words with CK. CK makes the k sound, just like a C by itself or a K by itself. Sometimes when we see CK together, it makes the k sound. This comes at the end of a word after a short vowel. So when I go to write, now we know 3 ways to make the k sound. We know C says k, K says k, and CK says k. Those are the 3 ways we know to make the k sound. Let's look at some words that have CK in them. We know CK comes at the end of a word. If I'm going to do the word shack, sh, a, k, shack. Here we see a short A, so that means we're going to need a CK at the end. And sometimes we see this in a 2-syllable word, like the word backpack, backpack. B-a-k, back, p-a-k, pack, backpack. Here, this is a compound word, back and pack, so we're going to see it at the end of both syllables. This week we will learn a lot more about the rules and spellings of CK. Remember, CK says k.